Dear students, in last lesson all we come to know about what are the meaning of capital market and its futures and money market and its futures. So in this session we try to analyze what are the differences between a capital market and money market. So basically we come to know the meaning of capital market and money market. So capital markets, it's a market dealing with long-term funds, and money markets deals with short-term funds, and securities going to mature within a year. That is what we call it as meaning of capital market and money market. So when we come to the basic differences between a capital market and money market, have a look over here. The meaning, the basic meaning itself is going to different, because capital market deals with long-term funds. I told you already. So it here we can deal, the funds should be above more than a year. It should be long-term in nature. But whereas in money market, it deals with the security is going to mature within a year. So it is what we call it as money market meaning. So the major classification, the meaning of capital market is different and meaning of money market is different. And when you look at second one, participants. So who are the people is going to deal with capital market and money market? So capital market, the meaning itself defines here they are going to deal the long-term funds for long period of time. So and he deals with very huge funds. So who are and all participate here, especially the banks, the financial institutions. The people is going to deal with the long-term duration of funds. Those kind of people is going to participate in capital market. When come to money markets, so money market, it's a short-term fund. Usually the companies, commercial banks, RBI, even the government itself is going to issue some treasury bills to the people. So these are the people is going to deal with in money market. That is what we call it as participates in capital market as well as money market. It's look like similar both. Then instruments. So how we are going to raise the funds? So when meaning itself deals with the long-term funds, especially the equity share capital, equity shares, debentures, bonds, preference shares, etc. So these are the major instruments is going to sounds in capital market. But when come to money market, so short-term instruments like commercial papers, T-bills, something but treasury bills. So issued by the government for meeting of certain short-term obligations. Treasury bills, certificate of deposit, global depository bonds, American depository bonds. So all these are instruments of money market. So here what we call it as capital market instruments and money market instruments. So again, instruments itself classify what are the capital market instruments and what are the instruments for money market. Then when come to investment outlay, so when if you want to deal with capital market, you should not need some huge amounts. You can start buying of shares. Even sometimes the share price is starting from 10 rupees to 100 rupees up to long run, number of shares multiplied with number of. Sometimes if you want to buy, you can buy a single share. That's up to you. No one is going to force, no one is going to demand you. So capital market does not need a huge funds to be invested. So it depends upon the need and requirements of the organizations. But when you comes to a short-term market, the short-term market won't available for short-term funds. That means you are not going to take a rise. You are not going to raise up the funds for 10 rupees, 100 rupees, or 500 rupees, or even 10,000 sometimes. So depends upon the demand of the money of the market. So based on that, so you need some more money required. At the same time, interest rate. So interest rate also you have to pay more in money market, and capital market should be little less. When we come to next one, you can see the duration. I told you the long-term funds and the medium-term funds should be realized or should be matured after a year. It might be 2 years or 5 years, anything, but more than a year. So, but when come to short-term money market instruments, so the instruments is going to realize within a year at any cost. It should not exceed more than a year. That is what called as duration. That is what we call it as duration is time period. That means long-term funds having more time. Long-term duration is more than a year, but short-term fund duration is less than a year. Then liquidity. So liquidity means securities that can convert easily into cash. So what kind of securities? The instruments that can convert easily into cash. So obviously when long-term funds are very difficult to converting of huge money. But when short-term funds you can easily trade it. Either should buy or sell within minutes. That is what we call it as money market instruments can be easily converted into cash. But capital market instruments, it will be less liquid in nature. It needs some time to be converted. It can get converted in secondary market, but it's not as much as instruments of money market. So that is what liquidity position of money market is very easy, and when compared to capital market is a little hard. So it is what we call it as liquidity. Then risk and safety of funds. So risk is there in both the markets, even though stock market itself deals with risky activities. But who is having high risk and who is having less risk? So when compared to that, depends upon how you can calculate the risk. You can calculate based on the how much amount. So obviously the huge amounts, obviously having some huge amount of risk. The shorter amounts, the lifespan of risk is very short. If you go in that manner, capital markets having some little more risk because it deals with certain huge funds. So that you cannot give guarantee of the funds. Sometimes the course become lakhs become rupees in capital market. Depends upon the market value. The share prices will be up and down. It indirectly affects you. The risk is very, very more. At the same time, risk is there in money market also, but very less, because the duration starts from 7 days, 14 days, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. So when you go in this period, if you take in this period, so obviously the risk will become very less. You can easily trade it. If you feel you can risk, you can easily sell, but that does not happen in capital market. That is what we call it as risk or safety of funds. So capital market having certain more risk and money market having little less risk. And at the same time, expected returns. Obviously you can observe, you can interlink with the previous point here. When risk is more, returns is more. When risk is less, returns also become less. What we call it as returns is the reward for risk. So like that, if you take, so when high risk activities, high risk instruments obviously will give certain fair returns and good returns for a long period of time. That is what we call it as capital market. Capital market expected the returns are very high, and even the stability also you can expect in capital market. But that will not happen in money market because the time short duration is very short. In that short also, even by trading happens between the given period. So on that time, you should not expect high returns for the given invested amount. So it is what you call it as rate of returns is less in capital market, and rate of returns are more in money market. This is how we can contribute to what we call differences between the capital market and money market. It's just a 6 marks question. What are the differences between the money market and capital market? If you clear with the basic terminology, basic meaning, along with the examples of money market, what are the futures and what are the instruments of money market, and what is capital market, what are the futures of capital market, what are the instruments of capital market, you can easily extract on 6-7 points by your own itself. It is what we call it as difference between the money market and capital market. By next class, we can see about financial instruments, money market financial instruments and capital market financial instruments. Thank you.